Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Man, I tell you, if you're like us, weekend are the time that you use to get all the other stuff done that you didn't have time for during the week. So we have been super busy this week. Today we're going to catch up on some chores, take you around with us, but Saturday, catch up day. Let's get started. I don't know about you, but if you're like us, weeks can get really busy and you put things off until the weekend. That's what we have done. Now, daily chores with the animals, things like that, that's always a given, but there's some things that you just don't have time. Now, I'm a full-time teacher. Summer's coming to an end, time to go back to school for the kids, but also for me. And a lot of people are like, oh man, teachers have it made. You get summers off, but we don't get paid in the summers. 10-month employees, got to make up that income somewhere. Now, we make a little bit on the farm, processing chickens. That's hopefully our retirement plan one day. We've got our pigs down there we're going to be processing in a few months. We'll be able to sell their meat because we have our meat handler's license, but you still got to pay the bills. With my wife working at home full time, our kids helping with chores, we get things done. But now that everybody's starting to get back to school, football starting for my son, my daughter's starting her first semester in college, we got chores we need to catch up on. So mowing priority. It has rained every day for about a month, if not maybe a day, two here and there, but the grass has really gotten overgrown. You can see I mowed this field a couple days ago. We had a break in the weather, but down there by the patches, that's how high it was right there. That's about 2 to 3 feet. So we put our bad boy mower to the test and it still is doing awesome. And as we head inside, the first chore that's been put off is our dryer. And our dryer went down. Anybody ever dry clothes outside anymore?
So we're down in the basement, gonna change out the heating element. We've done this before. Always good to do it yourself and save some money.
Oh yeah, that shouldn't look like that.
That's a little charred.
That's not supposed to look like that. That's the piece that. But sometimes like this burning out throws off like the thermostat and everything else, so it's better just to replace everything.
Yep.
Yeah, that. I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. Here you go.
Wow. And would that cause a fire?
It could, I think.
Yikes.
Yeah. Smell it like a heater. Oh yeah.
Nice.
While we're down here, might as well clean out the dryer vent.
Well, the dryer's done. Check that off the list. Now it's time to mow. had to jump off the mower real quick to show you this. This was the row where our mini sunflowers were, and look, there is a corn growing. Ain't that hilarious? So I'm gonna leave it, see if we can harvest. Eat a piece of corn.
Thing that you can see, the darker patches of grass, that's where we ran our chicken tractors, and you could definitely tell the advantage of the fertilizer they left behind versus the field that hasn't had the chickens on it. It's amazing.
And the mowing's done. Check that off the list. Well, we're out at the chickshaw. We're going to check for eggs, but they have really been doing a great job lately laying eggs. Just a few this time.
And speaking of eggs, we have incubated some more and have new Rhode Island Red baby chicks. These are future egg layers.
Oh my goodness. You can tell what chore's coming up next. Pigs already see me. It's feeding time. And yes, it's the final chore of the day. I'm going to be feeding all the animals, take you around, show you what we do with that. I like to use the mower because I'm lazy. Oh my goodness, we got a little rooster going on. I hear you, buddy. Hungry? Did you hear that little rooster trying to crow? That was hilarious. That's the first one I've heard do that. Now these are future egg layers, and we'll eventually combine them with the others. They're just still not quite old enough yet to protect themselves. Future egg layers done. Now on to the pigs and our egg layers. So we're just about out of pig feed. We'll fill up this bucket with 3 scoops and then cover it with water. We just like to soak our feed. Loaded up and ready. Work smarter, not harder. Woo-hoo. the most demanding of them all. 3 ladies down there. Hey girls, are you hungry? My goodness, y'all drooling and making all kind of noises. All right, let's get y'all fed. Everybody's happy now. Everybody's happy. And feeding time, chores are done. And they're happy. Ain't that right, girls? Sloppy Joe, sloppy Joes. You're literally getting the same feed. 3 bowls. And it looks like we finished just in time. There's some storms coming down this way. You can hear the pigs down there fussing over the food again. But leave a comment below. What's some chores that's on your to-do list? You always have to wait till Saturday to do them because you can't find any other time. But again, there's always going to be other things that you have to do, especially when you've got a small farm and a business. But that'll be for next Saturday. So we've got more chickens coming. We got 75 supposed to arrive Wednesday. And then we'll be finishing up our chicken season for the year. Our farm chores just increased times 75, but we love it. We appreciate you guys tuning in today. We'll see you on the next video.